Are you getting annoyed by the Logicam Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Quickly resolve Logicam library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Logicam library, the core driver library for Logitech webcams. It manages the video stream compression and localized hardware control features, like autofocus or zoom, for the Logitech Capture and Logitech G Hub software. If missing, the webcam will function as a basic USB video device only, and the specialized control software will report no camera detected. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. If Logicam Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Logicam library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Logicam Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Logicam library and system health. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Logicam library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.